again in the pronunciation English language, pronunciation lessons, learn English with Judy's. And of course, our topic for today is about at versus in. So what's the difference? Yes. But first and foremost, of course, if you are still not our subscriber, don't ever forget to hit the bell button first to subscribe, and also you can follow us in our Facebook page, Pronunciation English Language. And of course, please don't ever forget to share our video and hit the like for this video. Anyways, to continue, of course, our topic for today is about at versus in. So what's the difference? Yes, actually, the difference between at and in refers to being within an enclosed space or large area. For example, in the box, in the city. So while at signifies a specific point, address, event, or a general location. Yes, for example, at the bus stop, at the party, at 20 Main Street. So use in for a containment or a broad regions like countries, and at for a precise spots or the concept activity of a place, even if just nearby. Always remember that. So use in for enclosed spaces, just like in the room, in the car, in the bag. Large areas, just like in France, in the city, in the park, inside the boundaries. Always do remember that. So longer periods of time, in the morning, in July, in 2026. General concept, just like in the meeting. Participating, just like in trouble. So use at for specific points, addresses, just like at the corner, at the door, at 10 Downing Street. So, of course, specific locations, just like events, at a store, at a concert, at the office. General location, point, just like at the bus stop, at the park, could be inside or near, just like at times, at noon, at night, at 3 p.m. So the key difference in a specificity. So, in equals inside, yes, within. For example, I'm in the coffee shop means physically inside, right? At equals point, general location. For example, I'm at the coffee shop means at the place, maybe outside or nearby, or focusing on the activity. So do you understand? So in my place or at my place. Which? Actually, both at my place and in my place are correct. Always do remember that. But they mean different. Just different things. Just like at my place refers to your home or a location. So let's meet at my place. Do you understand? While in my place means instead of me or in my position. Just like, for example, she attended the meeting in my place. So use at for a physical location. Yes, and in for a substitution or a viewpoint. Do you understand? So at my place, physical location, meaning refers to your house, apartment, office, or a general locations. So for example, do you want to come for dinner at my place? There was a break-in at my place last night. I'm at my house right now. So meaning near or at the building. Do you understand? So in my place, substitution, position, meaning means instead of me, just like a in my stead or a in my shoes, point of view. Do you understand? Examples. I'm sick, so can you go to the meeting in my place? Another one. Thank you for leading the tour group in my place. So meaning you filled in. So meaning you filled in for the speaker. Do you understand? So you wouldn't say that if you were in my place, meaning in my situation. Key difference in versus at with buildings. Okay. At is used for a general location or point. For example, at the station, at the party. In is used for being inside the boundaries of something. For example, in the house, in the room, in the car. So, for example, so I am at my house. This is a general location versus I'm in my house means inside the building. Another question. So is it correct to say it's raining at my place? That is a question mark. Well, yes, it's raining at my place is a perfectly correct and natural sounding phrase in English to say that it is currently raining where you live. It's raining is the standard way to talk about current weather, and at my place is a common informal way to say at my house, at my apartment. Yes, so it's raining. Correct. Use of the pronoun. It's for weather. So do you understand? At my place, a common idiom for one's home. So you could also say it's raining here or it's raining outside. But at my place is great for a casual conversation. So do you understand? I hope you got it right. Anyways, if you have any question, don't ever hesitate to inbox us here in our here you can put a comment there in the comment section box or just send an inbox in our Facebook page, Pronunciation English Language. Anyways, that's all for now. Again, if you're still not our subscriber, don't ever forget to hit the bell button first to subscribe and also follow us in our Facebook page, Pronunciation English Language. Anyways, thank you so much. God bless and keep safe. Please don't ever forget to share our video and hit the like for this video. Thank you so much. Until the next time. Bye-bye.